This thing. Hi. Hi, Tiggs.
I think he thinks it's an animal. Oh, turn around so Noel can see the position that Tigger's in.
Wait, hold on.
Okay, we think we found a tree.
Oh,
Guys, this is it. We don't need to look anymore. You guys are planning. We should go.
Oh, Tigger's heading out.
yeah, he just sort of.
Come with us, Noel. Tigger knows the way.
He likes to go right
Oh, the tree. Get it.
Hello.
He's chomping at the grass.
Yeah. He stops right down there.
Watch the little idiot. There's the idiot.
Which one's the
Watch
idiot?
the the one right there.
This is
That
the
one's
tree
idiot.
chosen. We think.
Oh, look at it. Get a
As long as
camera.
everybody votes and
Picture.
thinks it's okay.
I think
This is our tree.
It's
beautiful.
All right?
And it appears big. So, like, it has the appearance of being large.
May stand by it like you just killed it.
Even
Sat
though it's
down.
rather
There you go. There's
small
the killer. Right there.
compared to our normal sized tree.
There's the killer. There's the killer. There's the tree. There's our saw.
I like that one. You like it? You want me to take it for a while?
Oh, that's all right. I think it's really nice. Very attractive.
Definitely. All right, Tig. How's it go? Let it move. I'm taking a picture of Tigger.
See how the stalk goes up funny? Yeah, look here.
For the camera. Tigger.
You try to stand up straight. It's
Hello.
kind of
Hello. Tigger, smile for the camera. Up, up, up. Oh, where'd you go? There you are. Tigger. Whoops. Now watch the idiot carrying him, sorry.
Oh, you just hush.
There we go. There's the cat. There's the idiot. Perfect. Look at him run.
Problem?
Oh, he just stopped, but he's been on the side. Is this crooked? Decide for us. New tree.
Nice.
Oh, we can make it work.
Is that crooked? I don't think so. Cut. Yes, she's cutting away.
Cut it flat.
I can't.
She's trying to cut.
Are you done yet?
Her muscles are bulging,
Low and straight
but they're not working, sorry.
Go ahead. You're doing a great job, honey.
She's trying to cut it.
Is it about done?
It's about done.
We'll be back for commercials right after this
Okay,
break.
stop. Cut for commercial.
Wait a second. This is cutting very easily. Is there something wrong with it?
I don't know. Cut all the way
Watch
through.
this girl
Find out.
saw. Those muscles. They're working.
I'm about halfway through already.
You're doing a fine job. Keep cutting.
Play-by-play action.
You're doing a great job.
Right here. Watch the gladiator come up and take over.
Lindy.
I'm gonna cut it all
Oh,
down.
finish it, Lindy.
Look at that face. Make a grimacing face, Lindy. Yeah, there you go. There's,
Cut. Go for it. Be strong, lady.
All right.
here is going to be the
Here we
final
go,
moment.
Everybody.
Lindy, Noel's shooting your bottom.
Nice shot.
Thanks.
Okay.
This thing's almost out of battery, I think.
What a beautiful bottom it is.
Timber.
Watch the tree fall.
Let's go see Noel.
And there goes Dad.
Boy, that was fast.
That was a skinny
How'd
little.
you guys get that cut so fast?
I cut almost. I mean, I'm a weakling, and I.
I don't
Whoa,
like
where's
this.
Mom?
Put it back up.
Okay.
I brought the glue.
Super glue.
Super glue.
That's
Great.
beautiful.
There's the gladiator who cut it down.
Tree. Thank you very much.
No, 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 no.
Oh.
Hey,
Okay,
hey.
here we go. Super. Here we go. There we go.
Now there's the gladiator.
Whoever enjoyed the crew.
Oh, okay. Get
Ah,
Tigger.
get out of
Get Tigger over here.
Get out of there.
Tig.
We don't want you.
Oh. Inspect the tree.
Did we tell the camera what happened to Tigger? The camera's not on, is it?
Yeah.
There it is.
No, it's not. It's blinking. Put him on top.
You like the tree?
Says, I'm getting out of this tree. I've been in too many trees today. All right, let's haul this dude.
Ah,
Hey, let's
yeah.
go.
All right, here we go.
Hauling?
This
We're
way.
hauling?
Catch it with the other
Yeah,
hand.
what does this
So
mean? That was-
Catch it with the other hand so you can walk from your right hand side.
Great idea.
Okay. And let's go up this way.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
It's so small, Dad. We should put it back.
Let's catch this Tigger in action. There's our tree being hauled. Between trees. Here we go. Look at that face. Always cutting. And there's the leader of the pack. Oh, there. That's Lindy. That's Mason. That's Daddy. Get a far back shot of this. And this is the person who's doing the most effort in this whole thing. She's pushing from behind with her hands up in the air. Amazing trick. Now, here is our cat. Cute.
Says I'm a little worried because now I have to go out in the open field. And there might be a DOG
Where'd he
there.
go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I can't see him. I can't find him.
We heard a DOG over there.
There you go. Whoops. Our cameraman almost fell. Well, we lost our main event. Let's take a picture of this cute little kitty in action. Wow. Smile.
As we probably mentioned, Tigger's a little concerned about the dogs out here since he got out of the car and one chased him up the tree right
And
off
I
the
had to come
bat.
and get him.
That's probably too close, Noel.
Hello. Yeah, let's get him. Oh.
Okay.
There's a picture of the dog that chased Tigger up the tree. Isn't that a cute little one? There it is. Hello. That's Tigger's dog. Alright, here's a very anxious dog trying to get Tigger. As you can see, over here somewhere. There you go, over there. This dog, right here, is trying to get him. Take a woof. He's whining because he can't get him. Bye-bye, doggy. Goodbye.
Up here this weekend, I bet.
Yeah, it was pretty busy.
Hi, Mom.
Is this kind of the busiest weekend?
Getting it attached up here.
That's right.
Says our battery's running out.
Sure, you know we have so many problems with the battery.